Hey everyone, Miguel here. Well, this is gonna be just a brief introduction video that I will be adding to a video I did last year, guys. It was actually, I believe, on September 6th of 2024, which was my journey. It would be my day one journey on Cryptex. And I've been all these months without doing anything. I've had so many things on my life going on that I really didn't do anything online, unfortunately. But now I'm back, and I'm really with the hopes, big hopes, guys, to really deliver you good content and to try for you to understand how big is Cryptex and why you should join it. Okay, so this is going to be a little intro for that video, which I basically was talking. I will be leaving afterwards that video. Okay, so I'll be adding to this first part, and then I will explain on that also video. It was on, if I'm not wrong, September 6th, and as of today, I'm recording this because today is the August 18th of 2025, and as obviously as you can see, it has gone already almost 1 year since I first started my journey on Cryptex. But I won't be doing much more videos, guys, out of the back office. I already released, I believe, 2 or 3, basically because I want to this project to remain very viable and very alive. Cryptex has been running already for 9 years, guys. So imagine, what project do you know that has been online for 9 years? I've been online for over 10 years, guys, and I've never seen or heard of a project being here for all this time, especially on the crypto space. So you really need to take advantage of this, all right, and understand how Cryptex works. If you need any help, I will also leave some my details, and also you can join afterwards down below. I'll have a link for you to join me on Cryptex. We'll join my email list, and from there you will then be able to get in touch with me. Okay, if you have any doubts, contact me on Facebook, on X, on my Telegram also, so that I can help you get started if you have any doubts, if you don't understand anything of crypto, how wallets work, how to buy crypto, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I will leave you with with the video that I did almost 1 year ago. All right, and guys, I hope that you enjoy this. Stay until the end, okay, and follow me. Okay, start following me, leave your comments and all that good stuff. Okay, appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you very soon. Hey everyone, Miguel here, and welcome here to the channel. Well, for you today, guys, I'm bringing you my new project and my journey here on Cryptex. All right, so I will give you my first details that I got from my account. Okay, so stay until the end to learn every single thing, every new detail that I have to share with you. Okay, now down below, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a link for you to join me here on Cryptex. All right, guys, it's very simple. All you need to do is invest $100 in one of our contracts, our DeFi staking contracts, and you then will be able to receive a very powerful income in between 3, 5, and 7 years. Now, okay, guys, let's go here on to the video. So this is my wallet, okay, and as you can see, this is the balance that I have. But because this was the amount that I've sent, the remainder that I've sent to my two
purchased my first contract, okay, and my overview total stake balance, it is $40,247.52 US dollars, okay, and this gives me for today a return of 0.11%, guys. This is really powerful, because you start, in my case, I started with the DeFi staking for 5 years, okay, that it's active, okay, and more details, as you can see, guys, less profit, okay, 47.52, and if you want more details, you scroll down, you go here to active staking, and you will see some more details about your account. Now, as you can see, guys, here this is the total loan, because for that $100 we have a loan of 40,200 US dollars. All right, and it's from this amount that you will get our return. It doesn't seem much, yeah, that's true, okay, 0.1% or 2 or 0.3, but imagine in a long term this is going to make a huge impact, okay. So as you can see, guys, I have started on I've purchased my contract on the 4th, okay, September 4th, and the start date, it was September 5th, and now my first profit was today, so still here in Portugal, September the 6th, okay. So after one day my profit was 47.52 US dollars, so 0.11% of returns from this hybrid staking on our Cryptex. Okay, guys, in here now you can check eventually some more details, and in further videos, and I will show you an overview of everything that we have here in Cryptex, so that you can better understand it. And if you would like to know more, guys, down below on the description I will leave a link to join me, okay. And if you need anything to get started, get in touch with me either on Facebook, or Telegram, or eventually on X, and from there I can help you get started, all right, and get building this business, guys, that is here for already 8 years, and it will be running for many more. Okay, guys, I appreciate all of you. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.